Welcome online classes of chemistry for class 10. Today our topic is law of mass action and derivation of the expression for the equilibrium constant. The rate of a chemical reaction is directly proportional to the product of active masses or concentration of a reactant at constant temperature. Mean is that the rate of reaction of chemical reaction of directly proportional reaction. Which reaction? Chemical reaction. Suppose A plus B is a reactant is directly proportional to the product. For general reactions, we write A plus B is equal to or reverse reaction. Not is equal to, it is our reverse reaction. Meaning is that in reactant it reverses into a product. After formation of product, it's again change or convert into a reactant. So this arrows in both sides, it is called reversible reaction. It is the sign for reversible reaction. Up till now you have learned that we start from the start that what they say actually dynamic equilibrium between reactant and product during reversible chemical reaction. In 1964, two scientists, one is Goldberg and the second is Wagner, study about the relation between dynamic equilibrium between the quantities or the concentration and put forward their research work as law of mass action. According to this law, what they say that the rate of chemical reaction is directly proportional to the rate of the product of active masses, which is in a very active form. Here two reactions are included. One is forwarded phase in which A and B change into C and D, and the other one is the second reaction is reversible. The AB is again changed into our product C and D. The initial is A, the formation of AB is converted into CD, and then CD, which is reactant, which is the actually product, it is again converted into reactant. According to